1966 Cadillac Eldorado convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 429 V8 power underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC was in op. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front. Stacked headlights. Grille looking good. Has had a repaint to red, white interior, white vinyl top, and that is a power top. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on radial tires, steel wheels, Cadillac wheel covers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these long panels, nice and straight. Red paint has a nice shine to it. White vinyl interior. There's a bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. I'll also show you the top functioning. Speaking of the top, it does have a new pump, new rams and hoses on it. You can also see fender skirts. Intact, looking good. I did not install the convertible top cover. It will go along with it. It was a little bit tight. You may have to get it out in the sun, get her warmed up, stretched a little bit. Just a couple miscellaneous parts, the bottom of the jack belt. There is a spare tire, although I would want a little better one if I was going anywhere. Needed a spare. There's actually an extra convertible top cover in that bag. I did not try to put that one on. But that will go back in the car and go along with to the next owner. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, as we take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the rear of this car, also looking good. Once again, you can see that red paint has a nice shine to it. Couple notes from the technician on this one. New driver's side upper and lower ball joints. Radio power's up, but did not get any sound. Powertrain, drivetrain, seats, common on a vehicle that's driven. Previous owners drove this car. It's one of those, get in, have some fun. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. New front left brake hose. As we look up and down this driver's side, again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these Eldorados, go ahead, or maybe just Cadillacs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. One of our more popular brands here at Unique Classic Cars. Our videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We take a little peek at the interior. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, holes in the vinyl seats. There's a power seat. Control over here on the driver's side. Power windows. Did want to mention power windows work all at the master switch except for the driver's rear, and that one works just fine with the switch in the rear seat driver's side position. And I'll roll those all up when we check out the convertible top so you can see how those fit too. Telescopic wheel. Tilt column. It's fired up. That 429 comes right to life. Top of the dash looking good. Mentioned the stereo powers up, just not have sound. Fuel gauge working, and that was a cold start. I won't expect temp gauge to be up. Get around behind this and listen to it. I'll also pop the hood so you can take a peek underneath that, see the engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. Pretty quiet for a 66 Cadillac with a 429 in it. Alright, let me pause this a second, get this big hood open, and check out that engine bay. and then we'll check out that convertible top. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And how about the engine bay? And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's all the AC components are there. This will need a little care to get flowing cold. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Gives you a good look at the engine bay, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too from every angle. All right, let me get the tripod set up so I can show you this convertible top going up. We'll check out the condition of that, see how it goes back down, and then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. And the power top up, as you could see, works as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled the power windows up so you can see how the side glass fits also. Nice fit there. Looks like a newer top, obviously. White vinyl. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much wear of any kind on it. Glass rear window. Nice and clear, good shape. Around to the passenger side. Also free of any rips, tears, or holes. Side glass. Nice tight fit. And back to above the windshield. So no surprises on the top. I will show you the function of it going back down into the storage compartment. Stick around after that. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1966 Cadillac Eldorado. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, check out all those still pics. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So First off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc. And also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1966 Cadillac Eldorado convertible in red. We do have the top down today. That interior really looks nice with the white, black, and real wood on the doors. Bringing it back to 1966. This is an automatic transmission shifted out in the column. The wipers work on this car. We have a clock right here counting the seconds. The temperature gauge is coming up on a quarter of the way the gauge, and the speedometer is working, giving us 45 miles an hour. I'm just keeping the wind down a little bit for you with the top down. Fuel gauge, almost 3/4 of a tank. Beautiful running car, very smooth, and the ride on the highway is no different. You expect that from Cadillac. Luxurious. 3 different, there's the horn button. On the second push, the horn works. Sometimes they need a little warm up. Working good now. Great big, beautiful car to drive around on a sunny day. Road trip, take the whole family, go on a parade, a drive-in movie. Perfect cars for that. Brakes nice and smooth. Of course, excellent power steering from Cadillac. A wide car as well as large, so it doesn't corner that bad. It corners very well, luxuriously. Kickdown does work on the automatic transmission, and acceleration is good. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.